a fight for 70 assembly seats for the state of Delhi. It is a fight for the political capital of this country. Today, I'm not going to ask the questions. Today, in this special episode of Delhi Speaks, Your Right to be Heard, it is the people of Delhi that are going to ask questions from the representatives of the three principal parties. On my left, from the Aam Aadmi Party, Saurabh Bhardwaj, from the BJP, Vijay Jolly, and representing the Congress Party, President of the All India Mahila Congress, Anika Mehrotra.
My first and most important question is, what are we doing about women's safety? Yesterday I read that a 4-year-old toddler was raped and a 45-year-old woman was raped. The range is extending, but what is not diminishing is the issues that are at hand and how to handle it. What exactly are the parties planning to do about this in the future?
Let me start with the Congress Party, Anika Mehrotra. The onus is on the Congress Party. Go ahead.
See, the question here arises is that after the gruesome crime that happened in December, many people came up and we came up with the various, Verma committee came up and various rules were also implemented. Now looking into that, rules were framed and hence onward the punishment was more stringent. And you should remember that more and more people are now coming out to speak against the crime. Now at least people have become vocal.
So you mean that now the onus is on the people, Anika Mehrotra?
No. They are reporting and hence
there have been more than enough crimes being reported in the city.
And hence the punishment is coming up and people will get scared accordingly that if they commit a crime, it be there down on the streets or in the police station and the public will be, the concerned person will be punished.
The most important culprit has got away with 3 years.
And then they are being, within 24 hours,
the most important culprit has got away with 3 years. Madam, what have you to say to that?
Also locating the person who has committed the crime and the punishment has been being done. You see the changes.
Chief Minister claims that the police is not under my control. Is it sufficient to say like that? Who is responsible? Center is responsible. Congress government is in the center, and Congress government in the Delhi government. Then who is responsible for this?
Vijay Jolly.
Moreover, man or Chief Minister is saying that my daughters are not safe. Why?
Okay, I've given enough time to the Congress Party. Vijay Jolly of the BJP, how do you plan to counter, apart from just the politicking that we see in debates?
It is pathetic. 15 years of rule of a party in the capital. Delhi is termed as the crime capital of India, which is totally unsecure for the women folks and especially for the females and the girls. Nirbhaya Kand, come on, Nirbhaya Kand happened. Your government has not taken You have who is the villain? You have your government has totally failed. The Congress government has totally failed.
I just tell you.
Okay.
This is the media. This is the media who's bringing everything before the public. And now we have to thank the public. This is the media only that we have.
One second.
Believe the audacity.
One second. Okay, Vijay Jolly.
15 years of Congress rule in the capital. Nirbhaya, you just listen to me.
I won't because you're wrong.
You and your government are responsible. Your government is responsible. The Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, has utterly failed to provide security to the women force. Police station. Women go. Their complaints are not registered. Women are subjected to eve teasing. Women are subjected to chain snatching. Women are subjected to rapes. And this government says after every rape,
do you agree with him?
Your Sarkar is failed. Center is failed. Delhi government is failed. And you cannot escape the responsibility.
Okay. Saurabh Bhardwaj, this audience wants to hear what the Aam Aadmi Party is going to do. Because the time of blaming the other political parties is over.
Our actionable item is, once we come to power, we will have a special commando force at a ward level for the safety of women and elderly, and we'll do it. We are committed to that thing and we are not depending on Delhi police for that. हम आपको एक commitment दे रहे हैं कि हम ये करेंगे. Once there is a fear of law.
तुमको सुना है, उनको भी सुनने दो. तुम्हें 15 साल से सुन रहे हैं.
You ask
from these two parties for the protection in Nirbhaya Kand. I want to ask one question from Mr. Vijay Jolly and from the Congress lady, that how many ladies 16th December came down for the help of the people who were crying for the Nirbhaya case, for the justice? How many ladies came? From you, Sushma Swaraj, or any of the ladies came down? From you, any of the ladies came down? Why? Why today you are talking about justice, giving justice in future?
Okay. Okay, I think everybody has made their point of view. We're going to ask lots more questions, but now is the time to vote. Delhi has spoken. Now it is the time for you to vote. We'll start with the Congress party. Anika Mehrotra, how many people agree? Please vote. Time for you to vote. Time for you to vote. Okay, that's a red all along. Red? Red? Do you agree with the red? Okay. For Vijay Jolly of the BJP. Vijay Jolly of the BJP, please put forth your vote. Okay, Vijay Jolly seems to have some of the audience. And finally, Aam Aadmi Party, Saurabh Bhardwaj. Okay, all right. Green for the Aam Aadmi Party as well. Let's go to the other big issue as far as not just Delhi, but the rest of the country is also concerned. But we saw the birth of an anti-corruption movement. Something that has now transformed into what many from the Aam Aadmi Party say is one of the basic things that they are fighting against, corruption.
The corruption which has suffocated the society. Until unless it is eradicated, it is weeded out, nothing can be achieved. And biggest corruption is not to work. And second corruption, the national character of our leaders and the accountability of the officials. सड़क बनती है 15 दिन के बाद सड़क फिर वो साफ हो जाती है. अभी डिजाइनर गेट का रवाज बना हमारे जनकपुरी में, तो बहुत डिजाइनर गेट बनवाए और वो डिजाइनर गेट की कास्ट पूछी तो पता लगा इतने लाख की है, कंट्रैक्टर कहता है मुझे इतने लाख मिले. तो दैट शोज कि corruption is at everywhere. How to eradicate that corruption? And the only way which I personally feel it, where there is a corruption, there should be halla bol on that particular office at that particular day, and he'll be set right.
Okay, let's give a chance to our political leaders to also respond. There are a wide array of questions that are being asked as far as corruption is concerned. Let's start with the BJP this time. Vijay Jolly.
Well, you see, this is an ironic fact that after 65 years of independence, and out of those 65 years, the ruling party is none other than my dear friends, the Congress party at the center and in the capital. Crores of rupees wasted on the Commonwealth Games. Most of the money is usurped. A refrigerator, which would cost 8,000 rupees, is during the Congress regime in the capital. That refrigerator was sold at a cost of 32,000 rupees. A chair, which would cost 2,200 rupees, was sold at a cost of 8,500.
Let's hear what the Congress party has to say.
And the Congress appointed Shungnu committee, which holds the Delhi government responsible for corruption in Commonwealth Games, is given a scot-free, scot-hand.
Anika Mehrotra,
is not held accountable.
You have to agree to the fact that the Commonwealth Games has been one of the biggest states as far as the Delhi government is concerned.
They demand money. Where that money is going? That money is going to the ruling party coffers. It's MPs, it's MLAs, and it's government.
Congress government gave the RTI. RTI was the biggest tool which the ruling UPA government could give to the public, wherein you are empowered, where the people have been empowered to ask questions in case they find any fault. So we have been taking an inclusive growth. There has been an inclusive growth with the public as well as the government.
Anika Mehrotra, your own political party is reluctant to have the RTI scrutinize party funds. Aam Aadmi Party, let the Aam Aadmi Party, I'll come to you, sir, I'll come to you. Let the Aam Aadmi Party speak. Go ahead.
Look, I am not here to win a debate. And this is not about winning debates. Our country is in a very serious situation. बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात है इसमें. और आप एक बात और भी समझिए, This is all cosmetic debate. This will have no action item out of this debate. और ये जो debates, I'll tell you.
You are getting a foreign money. What is this debate?
I'll tell you.
You cannot have foreign money without proper Reserve Bank of India prior permission. You cannot have foreign money.
Let him speak. Mr. Jolly, both of you have been given a chance. Go ahead. There are questions.
Where is the
being
foreign
raised.
money coming in? What are the sources? They cannot get foreign money from overseas. It is against the Reserve Bank of India regulations.
Excuse me, sir. So you were saying that they are having the foreign money. Your Rajnath Singh has said.
Foreign money नहीं ले सकते, नहीं लिए,
Excuse me, sir.
नहीं लिए, इसलिए तो इनके खिलाफ हमने नहीं किया।
Jolly sir, you are saying that they are having the foreign fund. They are having the foreign fund. In an interview, Rajnath Singh has said that if I am not giving any party fund, I am not giving anything for the Modi's rally. From where the fund is coming over?
We will tell you. We pay the membership fee.
At least they.
We pay the सहयोग निधि.
वो जो पैसा आ रहा है वो लोग अपने आप दे रहे हैं, वो उनको फोर्स नहीं कर रहे।
जी माता
और एक पैनी का हिसाब है उनके पास।
एक मिनट
माता जी
नहीं one second.
देखिए मैं आपसे
फॉरेन कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस
विजय जॉली,
हिंदुस्तान में कोई राजनीतिक दल नहीं ले सकता। अगर बाहर से एक भी पैसा आएगा रिजर्व बैंक की प्रायर परमिशन के साथ आएगा।
विजय जॉली,
कौन
as far as the आम आदमी पार्टी is concerned,
काले धन वाले दे रहे हैं, ब्लैकमेलर दे रहे हैं, कौन इनको पैसा दे रहा है?
गुरुजी,
go ahead. 1 second.
अगर ये फॉरेन एक्सचेंज इलीगल होती तो आज ये यहाँ नहीं खड़े होते।
मैं भी आपको
ये
बता
पक्की
दूं,
बात है।
हाई कोर्ट ने
आप लोग
केंद्र की
इनको हटा
सरकार
देते।
को रूल्स के अकॉर्डिंगली
ये फॉरेन एक्सचेंज लीगल रूप में आई है, सही रूप में आई है, गलत नहीं है। इनको डिमोरलाइज कर रहे हो आप लोग।
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
look, this is a
You get
strategy.
the foreign funds and we
Don't
keep quiet. Sorry, I'll not keep quiet. हाँ? This is democracy.
This is a strategy. This is. I can tell you. What I can tell you is, these people are not that emotional that they get emotional in the debates. They are not. This is a strategy what they play in the television debates, that they will just keep quarreling like this.
Do you agree with what he's saying? Okay.
But, for a democracy, look, for a democracy, जिसे हम प्रजातंत्र कहते हैं, debates are very important, and debates should carry a meaning. That means everybody should get a good chance of telling what you want. Okay.
Whether you speak the line also.
Wait a second, but you should not interrupt. You should not interrupt.
Why not?
Man, then you keep speaking.
Yes.
Then you
Okay,
keep on saying
okay,
that. Why
time
do you
to
need
vote.
another?
If this is
One
a
second.
debate,
Mr.
I have
Jolly,
right to intervene.
Mr. Jolly,
No,
time
you
to
know
vote.
that. You have to ask her.
Bank of India.
You have to
All of you have spoken for the Aam Aadmi Party. What is your vote? Aam Aadmi Party. Okay. Vijay Jolly of the BJP.
I will vote.
BJP.
But they don't know the rules.
Please, can everybody
I will
vote?
this round.
Can you
It
vote,
is not a
please?
question of the round.
For
It
Vijay
is a
Jolly
question
of the
law,
BJP.
And the law should prevail.
Look, there are two
Congress,
important
Congress, please vote. Please vote. Congress Party.
ये आपका वोट वेस्ट
Okay.
करवाने के लिए
One
है।
second.
मुझे कोई परवाह नहीं है इस लाल और हरे की। रूल को रूल बोलने का दम है मेरे अंदर।
मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ, आज तो एक मुद्दे पर आप लोग लड़ रहे हैं, बट व्हाट अबाउट व्हेन देयर वाज योर ओन गवर्नमेंट एंड देयर वाज अ प्राइस हाइक and then your government failed, then this government also, so much price hike that people are committing suicide. That time also people had started committing suicide. And how do you think that you can come back in the party again?
Okay. The issue is about, 1 second. I'll come to each one of you. The issue is about price rise. 110 rupees for a kg of, yes, come.
I want to ask the representative of Congress party that we are so many price highs of cereals, fruits, vegetables, and there is nothing. And we have listened 2 or 3 days before the statement of Sheila Dikshit, Mukhyamantri ji.
she was saying, I am hard jod ke, I am requesting the hoarders. I am requesting the hoarders to release the onions and other things. I am very much surprised. Yes, no, next question is not complete. So I want to ask, if she is so lachar, is in the front of hoarders, black marketings, she should resign, or otherwise the public get her down from the seat.
See, I think you all are learned audience, as you have just shown that. What I'm trying to tell you here is that do not get lured by new sentiments. The problem here is, especially vegetables. Delhi doesn't have its own farming. It comes from the neighboring states. You have seen the climatic conditions also. So the Delhi Chief Minister has given, I think, 40
climate is to be blamed. Anika Mehrotra.
एक मिनट मैम, एक मिनट. सब्सिडरी अनियंस भी दिए. होर्डिंग जो हो रही है, बाकी अनियन प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट दिल्ली नहीं है, आपको पता है, बाहर से आता है.
Why doesn't why can't this problem be stemmed once and for all? Why is it an annual cycle?
Wait, 1 minute, let me complete. See now, try to understand this. See, we are concerned.
हमेशा ही बाहर से आता था. इस बारी क्या हो गया, जो 15 से लेके आज 80 और 100 ऑनियन पहुंच गया.
बरसात देखे नहीं,
दिल्ली ने कभी भी ऑनियन पैदा नहीं किया. ऑनियन हमेशा नासिक से आता था.
10-12 साल तो नहीं हुआ ना, अभी हो रहे हैं ना. So आप try to understand this. Nobody will purposely do it to fall a government or to rise a government. It is a perpetual problem.
There is no lack of production in the onions and vegetables.
That is what we think.
Essential things.
It
is only the hoarder which is doing that.
Other states where Congress is not ruled, where there is onion production, obviously, as the Chief Minister, we will request people to release onions so that you people can get it.
The question, Anika Mehrotra, is that there seems to be little political will to help the common man have a better life.
You see, here's a government which says that onions are being sold at 100 rupees a kg. And the Chief Minister says, for 1 week, I have not eaten the onions. What happens to the common man? What happens to the poor man? If my party comes into power, we will take stern action against the hoarders. We will ensure timely deliveries of vegetables, of fruits and other edible commodities from other states. And also, we will ensure that the central warehousing has such vegetables in stock to meet any such eventuality. This government has failed to raise and control the prices of the vegetables, fruits and other commodities. Onions.
Aam Aadmi Party.
For a price rise, there is no debate. Price rise is a problem. But one party has been defooling the nation for 40 years saying that Garibi Hatao. Then all the parties started looting the nation in the name of Vikas Karo, development. Today, we are a poor nation, we are not a rich country, and we are undeveloped. We are still a developing country. So we have been just fooled by these buzzwords like, Garibi Hatao.
Do you agree with that?
Intentions, how can they do? How can they deliver? They will never deliver.
Time to vote. Anika Mehrotra of the Congress Party on price rise. Are you convinced? Your time to vote. Okay. Red for the Congress Party. BJP, Vijay Jolly. More of green, so I will give willing to give the BJP a chance. Aam Aadmi Party. Okay, largely green. All right. Another issue that perhaps is often forgotten is the issue of senior citizens. Several here in the audience represent that particular group in society. They often feel they are the forgotten people.
Yes, madam. I want to ask the question for all the three parties. What you are planning to do for senior citizens? You please let us know. And the old age pension is not getting regularly. Even recreation grant is not made by the Social Welfare Department of Delhi government. And what you are doing for elderly people, because of 12 lakhs people as on date.
And we are talking about senior citizens here. Let's start with the Aam Aadmi Party. What is your agenda?
Our concept is Swaraj. That means citizen participation. What will happen is, your wards will be divided into 10 zones, and it will be a law that your elected representative, like your MLA, will hold a meeting of this town hall जो पूरा मोहल्ला सभा कहलाएगा, and he will tell you that for your area we have a fund of, let's say, 58 lakh rupees, and he will ask you to create a consensus and you tell us what should be done with that 58 lakh rupees, and he will have no say other than what you say. He will just act as a facilitator between the people and the government. He will not be a hukumaran on you. अगर आप लोग बोले कि we want a recreation room for the elderly, then it will be done on that basis only.
Okay, BJP.
Well, if the BJP is voted to power, we will ensure that every senior citizen gets his pension while sitting at home, and that pension shall be delivered to him or her at a home. Number 2, security for the senior citizen. My dear friend from the Aam Aadmi Party, he doesn't know. Each MLA gets 2 crores of rupees. Each corporator gets 1 crore of rupees as a constituency development fund. Out of that development fund, every money which is asked by any of the NGO as far as way of grant should be given on demand after checking and auditing the papers of that NGO. And the senior citizens, every police station in the area, every councillor who's elected in the capital, every MLA who's elected there, he will be asked to prepare a register of the senior citizens, and the local police and the local MCD employees will be duty bound to talk to him, pay a visit to him every 1 month, and also the insurance to the senior citizens should be covered by the state government. That will be the endeavor of a BJP-led government in the capital.
Okay, Congress Party.
Congress started the Bhagidari system. The Delhi government started the Bhagidari system, wherein we are interacting with all the RWAs, and we have empowered the RWAs. The gentleman from Urja is sitting here, who says himself that the RWAs have all been together, and the Chief Minister of Delhi has empowered the RWA, wherein they tell the government that what kind of facility they need. For example, in an area like MLA's area, if they want a recreation room, it has been provided. So also recreation room, including the community halls. So
what about the
by the Bhagidari?
Security. This is not about recreation. We're talking about security and health. One issue that perhaps is as neglected as senior citizens is the issue that matters to each and every person in this room, and that is the issue of health. Go ahead.
I am Dr. K.K. Agarwal. I am a cardiologist, physician, and the President Heart Care Foundation of India. My question is that in Delhi, we have more than 200 deaths. We have 40 to 50 deaths every day because of heart attack, and 30 deaths out of within are preventable. We have 5,000 deaths this year. We have 5,000 patients of dengue this year. The Congress says that MCD is with BJP. The BJP says center. The government is with the state. I don't find any understand as far as health is concerned. If the Chief Minister says and orders to an MCD, and if they don't listen, I don't think so it is possible. Why in health we can't work together? Why can't health be your manifesto?
Very pertinent question. Lots of facts. This time I'm going to start with the Congress Party. Since you're the ruling government at this point in Delhi, what is your plan as far as health is concerned?
The hospitals have increased. The funds for the hospital, for the which comes from Delhi government, has gone up. Health, that is what you're saying. The hospitals badhenge, provision badhegi. Ambulance have been increased.
Listen to me. That is for 10% of the people.
We can take a step forward to provide you with good health security.
I'm not talking about creating hospitals for sick people.
Obviously,
90% people are healthy. What are we doing for the healthy people so that they don't suffer?
Awareness has been spread.
Statistics will not work with this audience. Statistics will not work with this audience.
That's the only way they'll come to know that the government has taken a step forward, be it education, be it health, be it hospitals. They have improved the numbers of hospitals.
Where are the results? Where are the results? Vijay Jolly.
Well, I think I totally agree with Doctor who talked about the health-related issues. If there has been a shortcoming, we will make good those shortcomings under the leadership of Dr. Harshvardhan, who's our Chief Ministerial candidate, number 1. We will increase the journal awareness on health-related issues, and there will be a partnership of the citizens and the government, also the MCD. As far as the cleanliness, as far as the sanitation is concerned, we will take adequate measures to have a clean Delhi.
Generic
statements, health facilities.
Generic statements will not work.
There are more facilities. The fake drugs will not be allowed in the capital.
Don't be deceived.
Which are the biggest
danger
to the Delhi.
The MCD is with the BJP government twice.
Cleanliness.
Okay, one second.
No, you have to understand the reality. सिर्फ बात करना चाहिए आपको ग्राउंड रियलिटीज देखनी पड़ेगी लेकिन सच्चाई पे जाना पड़ेगा आपको
आम आदमी पार्टी your time is up.
The convincing figure.
Congress, your time is up.
Health, sanitation, cleanliness, they are largely the responsibility of MCD as well as Delhi government. But what I want to say is MCD has been ruled for last 7 years by BJP. And in 2010, as per the RTI reply, after the Anti-Corruption Bureau said that MCD is the second most corrupt department after Delhi police. So what do you think? That they can provide you good governance, they can provide you good health, good sanitation, when they could not provide anything under MCD?
Okay.
How can they claim they will do anything under Delhi government?
Okay. Time for a vote. Let's start with the Congress party. Congress party, your vote please. Congress party. Congress party, all red. All red. All red Congress party. Anika Mehrotra, all red. Vijay Jolly, BJP. It's close to green. Barely, but close to green. Okay. Aam Aadmi Party. Okay. The people are willing to give a task to the Aam Aadmi Party. A lot to prove there. It is the right of every citizen of Delhi to be heard by their political masters, as they are called by some. But ultimately, they are the representatives of this very audience, and this audience is a smaller version of what is going to finally come out on the 4th of December and vote. Thank you so much for watching. To all my representatives and especially to this lovely audience, thanks so much.